Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susu. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this gorgeous look. I'm going to show you guys a woman of color friendly makeup tutorial. So if you guys are interested in watching how I got this look, just keep watching. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup video. I have not done a makeup video on my channel in such a long time, but I wanted to do like my updated makeup routine because my face has been killing it. I have been killing my makeup. Like, it's been looking so good. So I decided to do a makeup video for you guys. So we do have a little sponsor for this video. I do want to give a shout out to Sephora and Magic Links for sponsoring this video, so you guys could shop everything that I use on my face in Sephora. I'm gonna have it linked in the description down below for you guys. If you're not signed up for the Beauty Insider program, I definitely say you should. So I am gonna start with moisturizing my face. My face is super dry. I'm gonna be using my Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. Now guys, I bought this moisturizer not thinking it was gonna be, you know, anything different or anything special, but honestly it's so good to try like new skincare, because when I say my face needed this moisturizer, it really did. This moisturizer is so nice. It's actually one of the things that I got in my new like collection of beauty products that I absolutely love. Like, you guys should try a sample of it. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna use my Lanage sleeping mask. I've had this for a while, but I always use it anytime I feel like my lips are dry and I want to beat my face. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is filling in my brows with my Benefit number 4 brow pencil. So I applied a little bit of my concealer on my brows. I really hope that this turns out good. I'm gonna be using my Pat McGrath palette. This is this one. It's so pretty. Like this cute little red one. So cute. Can I get a amen? Can I get an amen? Okay. I need to get some eyeshadow base on my eye. And I actually really like how feathery but like nice my brows look. Like, y'all look real nice. I'm just blending with my brush. Now I did get this brush. I don't know where I got this brush from, but I've had this brush for a minute. You know, I like you just have one of those brushes that you just always use and you won't get rid of. It's this brush. So we're gonna go into the Pat McGrath. This is the Mothership. Pat McGrath doesn't have the names on them, so we're just gonna point and figure it out when we get there, okay? So we're gonna go in on this color right here. It's like this brown color. One thing about Miss Pat, okay? One thing about it, the eyeshadow will transfer. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna like buff it. Y'all probably like, where my lashes at? Girl. So I am no longer part of the lash gang because my lashes was looking so thin and I needed a break from it. Like, I really needed a break from it. Let me do my liner. For primer, I'm gonna be using my Milk Hydro Grip primer. Ooh, this will feel so good on your skin. I got the mini size because I'm not gonna finish that primer. I have other primers that I also like. I know I'm not gonna finish it, so I decided to just get like a mini. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my Lancome Tantadol in the color 520 Suede. I love this foundation so much. It's my favorite foundation. Now I feel like I can't go back to anything else. And I'm just really like pressing it in. The face is given, okay? I really want this to like blend very well. So that's how like I do my face. That's how I do my face. So I'm gonna be using my Nars Concealer. The color I'm using is Amande.
You've taken my love for granted and you just wanna see it your way.
And then I'm actually gonna be using Hazelnut after. I've noticed that when I do the first base and then apply this, it actually looks better. Contour, I use my Fenty contour stick in Espresso. I really love that contour stick. Already like warming up the face. Try not to get it close to my lace because maybe it's still lace at the end of the day. So I'm just gonna keep it like low. No makeup on the forehead, no makeup on the lace. Yeah, just making sure.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
I use a small brush to apply the powder because I want it to be very precise. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the color Deep. And I'm using my Sephora 80 brush to bronze my face. Ooh, do y'all see that? This brush is everything. Did you guys see that transformation right there? I'm gonna do it on this.
For the boy, live a dream to the hills, and they wonder for the boy right now. By hand, with the time, with a year. We are what them young boys fear. I kill, never be killed.
I'm gonna dust off the excess powder that I have on my face. Besides my nose. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the color 3 on my eye because I really wanna make my face look. Ooh, I rushed. After that situation, I'm gonna use my Sephora powder, my Micro Smooth powder in the color Mocha. I got this idea from Amina Coco, and honestly, absolutely right. This powder is so good. Face looks so good. I didn't actually contour. We're just gonna contour my nose. I always bring it up like that. I'm still gonna go in with like a nice light powder to make it look less harsh. Perfect. And I'm just gonna take just a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury in the color tan. I'm gonna use that to kind of make it look not so harsh. Now I'm gonna be using my blush from Patrick Ta. This is in the color She's Blushing. This color is so gorgeous, so pretty. I'm actually gonna spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier hoof. I'm gonna be using my Makeup Forever highlighter. And this is the Pro Life Fusion. I'm gonna use that on the tip of my nose. So I'm gonna go and put on my lashes and then we're gonna finish up our look. For lip, I'm gonna be using my Makeup by Mario lip liner and gel. For my lip, I'm gonna wear the color Toffee by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the final look. This is how my makeup turned out to look. It looks so gorgeous. This is like such a nice brown skin makeup. Like this just looks so good. I especially love my new Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Plus the Huda Beauty powder looks so good on my skin. I absolutely love the color. I'm gonna have everything that I use in the description down below. Make sure you guys check Sephora out for any of the products that you guys are interested in. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.